Excuse me, hi. Is this the Emirates Central Bank?
Yes, it is. Are you here to open an account?
Exactly. I just moved here, and I need a bank account for my salary.
Perfect place. They handle both personal and business accounts.
That's good to know. I was a bit nervous. It's my first time opening one abroad.
Don't worry, it's very straightforward.
Oh, that's a relief. Do I need any documents?
Yes. Usually your passport, visa, Emirates ID, and proof of address.
I've got them all right here.
Great! You'll be done in no time.
Do they speak English here?
Absolutely. Most staff are fluent.
That's great news.
Come on, I'll walk in with you.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
No problem. You'll see. It's a smooth process.
Fingers crossed, everything goes well.
It will. First impressions of Dubai banking, efficiency.
Wow, it's so modern and quiet in here.
Yeah, banks here are very organized.
What should I do first?
Take a ticket number from that kiosk.
Okay, done. It says 105.
Perfect. They'll call you when it's your turn.
Do they have separate counters for different services?
Yes. Some are for cash transactions, some for account opening, others for credit cards.
Oh, I see.
And if you ever have questions, that lady at the help desk can assist.
Everything seems so efficient here.
Dubai banks are among the best organized I've seen.
It feels so professional.
And safe, too. Security is always top priority.
That's comforting.
Plus, they even offer coffee while you wait.
Seriously? That's amazing.
Yep, customer experience matters here.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a personal account, please.
Certainly. Do you have your documents with you?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. May I also have your mobile number and email?
Sure.
Perfect. Would you like a savings or current account?
What's the difference?
A current account is for daily use, while savings earn interest.
Oh, then I'll go with a current account for now.
That's a good choice for salary deposits.
Do you want a debit card linked to it?
Yes, please.
Great, we'll print one for you in about 10 minutes.
Wow, that's fast.
We like to keep things instant and convenient.
That's impressive. I thought I'd have to come back another day.
Not at all. We'll even help you activate it before you leave.
That was surprisingly easy.
I told you, banks here are efficient.
Back home, it takes days to get a card.
Yeah, here they do it instantly.
What about online banking?
You can activate it right after you get your card.
That's good. I like handling my finances digitally.
You'll also get an app to check your balance anytime.
Oh, convenient.
And you can even transfer money international.
Really, that's perfect for sending money to my family.
Exactly. The rates are good too.
I think I'm going to love this bank.
Told you you'd feel comfortable here.
You were right.
Do they also offer multi-currency accounts?
Yes, some do, especially for expats. You can ask later.
I'll keep that in mind.
Miss Emma, here's your new debit card.
Oh, thank you so much.
Please sign here to confirm receipt.
Sure.
You can now create your PIN at the ATM.
I'll show her how to do that.
Wonderful. Welcome to Emirates Central Bank.
Thanks. That was so smooth.
Let's go activate it. The ATM is right outside.
All right.
Don't forget to download our app. It makes everything easier.
Will do.
See? You're almost a full Dubai resident now.
One step closer.
Soon, you'll know everything about life here.
Slowly but surely.
Have a wonderful day, both of you.
Thank you again. By the way, how do people apply for credit cards here?
You can apply once you have 3 months of salary proof.
Oh, that makes sense.
The bank will check your income and credit score.
So, my basic salary matters?
Yes. Usually they need a minimum of around 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams.
That's reasonable.
You'll also get some nice perks like cash back or travel rewards.
Oh, I like that.
Just remember, always pay on time to avoid interest.
I'm very careful with that.
Then you'll be fine.
I think I'll apply once I settle in.
Smart plan.
Thanks for explaining everything, Ryan.
Anytime. I remember being as lost as you when I first came.
Nice to know I'm not the only one.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Well, that was a productive morning.
Definitely. You opened your first account successfully.
I feel so accomplished.
You should. That's a big step for anyone new here.
Thanks again for guiding me.
My pleasure. You did great.
I'll treat you to coffee next time.
Deal.
Now I can finally receive my salary and start saving.
Welcome to real life in Dubai.
Feels good already.
See you around, Banker Emma. Don't tempt me. Maybe someday.
Don't tempt me. Maybe someday.
Who knows? Have a great day.
You too, Ryan. Bye.
My first step into adulting abroad.
Okay, let's set up my online banking account.
Welcome. Please enter your card details and create a username.
Done.
Great! Now verify using the code sent to your phone.
Got it.
Assistant, setup complete. You can now check your account anytime.
Wow. That was quick.
Hey, did you manage to activate it?
Yeah, I can already see my account info.
Nice. You can also pay bills and recharge your phone from there.
Seriously? That's so handy.
You're officially Dubai ready now.
Thanks to my new financial mentor.
Anytime.
Salary credited. 8 United Arab Emirates. Dirhams, 500.
My first salary deposit.
Congrats. You're officially earning in dirhams.
It feels so real now.
Time to celebrate. And maybe budget a little too.
You sound like my dad.
Just saying. Check your app. You can categorize your expenses.
Oh, wow, that's helpful.
It'll help you track your savings goals.
I'll start small but steady.
That's the way to go.
Thanks again for helping me start this whole journey.
You did it yourself. I just pointed the way.
Still, couldn't have done it this smoothly without you.
Enjoy your first payday, Emma.
I sure will.